Hello everyone. Today we have started article number 2, angle between the parametric curves. So what is meant by the parametric angle between the parametric curve? Suppose two parametric directions curves r1 and r2 and the angle omega from 0 to pi. It's not w, it's omega between them. Then it is therefore given by cos omega is equals to r1 dot product with r2 divided by mod of r1 dot product of mod of r2, and by the fundamental of coefficient r1 dot product with r2 is equals to f, and mod of r1 means r1 square, and mod it is represented by root, so r1 square means e and r2 square means g. So this is a cos omega is equals to f upon root of Eg, and similarly sin omega is equals to mod of r1 cross product with r2 upon mod of r1 into mod of r2, and by the by the theorem statement h is equals to mod of r1 cross product with r2 is not equals to 0, then it is represented by h. So this is h, and mod of r1 dot product with mod of r2 is equals to under root of Eg. So this is the angle between the parametric curves. Next theorem: if omega is the angle between the parametric curves, if omega is the angle between the parametric curves at the point of intersection, then prove that tan omega is equals to h by f. H and f means fundamental coefficient or metric coefficient. तर आपल्याला प्रूफ करायचं आहे tan omega is equals to h by f. So let's prove. Let P be the point of intersection of the parametric curve with the position vector r1 and r2. Then we have दोन पोजिशन वेक्टर आहेत r1 आणि r2. सो त्याला आपण असं लिहू शकतो r1 इज इक्वल्स टू डेल आर बाय डेल यू, अँड सिमिलरली r2 इज इक्वल्स टू डेल आर बाय डेल व्ही आर अलॉंग द टँजेंट टू द पॅरामेट्रिक कर्व्स. दोन्ही पॅरामेट्रिक कर्व्स अलॉंग द टँजेंट असेल तर बोथ u and v both are constant. If omega is the angle between the parametric curve, then we have ओमेगा हा अँगल असेल दोन पॅरामेट्रिक कर्व्सचा, तर आपण असं लिहू शकतो की r1 डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ r2 इज इक्वल्स टू मॉड ऑफ r1 इंटू r2 इंटू कॉस ओमेगा. हे आपण अँगल बिटवीन द बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ angle between parametric curve, angle between parametric curves च्या डेफिनेशन लिहू शकतो. cos ओमेगा इज इक्वल्स टू r1 डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ r2 अपॉन मॉड ऑफ r1 इंटू मॉड ऑफ r2. So mod of r1 into mod of r2 multiply in this side. So r1 dot product with r2 is equals to mod of r1 into mod of r2 into cos omega, and similarly sin omega. So mod of r1 r2 multiply in this side, r1 cross product with r2 is equals to mod of r1 into mod of r2 sin omega n bar. So n bar means unit normal. So since by the fundamental coefficient f is equals to r1 dot product with r2 and mod of r1 cross product with r2 is equals to h, and e means r1 dot product with r1, that means r1 square, and r2 dot product with r2, that means r2 square is equals to g. So we have by the angle between the parametric curves cos omega is equals to f upon under root of Eg, and similarly sin omega is equals to h upon under root of Eg. Hence we have, so tan omega is equals to sin omega upon cos omega. It is a trigonometric relation. Tan omega is equals to sin omega upon cos omega. So I can put here the value of sin omega, so h upon under root Eg, and the value of cos omega is f upon under root of Eg. So Eg get cancelled, tan omega is equals to h by f, and hence prove the result. Next theorem, that is the element of area. So theorem statement, if ds represent the element of area on PQRS on the surface, then prove that ds is equals to h du into dv. So this is a diagram, total ds area, it represents PQRS. So proof, let the parametric coordinates PQRS be this is right from the diagram uv, u comma del u comma v. This is right from the diagram respectively. 4 coordinate PQRS. So first, second, third, fourth respectively. When del u del v are small, because it is partial derivative, it is small value. The small position of PQRS is a parallelogram. Now from the diagram, PQ is equals to OQ minus OP. From the diagram, OQ minus OP. So the value of OQ is, both two term R is common. The value of OQ is u plus del u comma v, and the value of OP is R common u v. Using approximate Taylor expansion, by the Taylor expansion we get PQ is equals to R of u plus del u comma v minus R of u comma v. So PQ is equals to, how to write, R of uv plus derivative with respect to u. So plus del r by del u into del u minus as it is R of u is as it is. So plus R of uv minus R of uv get cancelled. So remaining is del r by del u into del u, and the value of del r by del u is r1 into del u as it is. So PQ is equals to r1 into del of u. In similar manner, we can show PS is equals to r2 into del of v. So using du and dv instead of del u and del v, we have the vector area of parallelogram. Then we can write, so r1 du cross product with r2 du, so that capital DS is equals to mod of r1 du into r2 dv. So r1 du into r2 dv, it is a total surface area, and we can write ds is equals to mod of r1 du into r2 dv. So mod of r1 into r2 du dv in common to both term, and this is the value of capital H by this statement. So ds is equals to, so capital H is equals to mod of r1 cross product with r2 is not equals to 0. By previous theorem statement, it is the value of capital H, and du dv is as it is. So proof, ds is equals to capital H du dv. Hence prove the result. Next example, find the value of E, F, G and H for the paraboloid capital X is equals to u, x is equals to u, y is equals to v, and z is equals to u square minus v. कॅपिटल ई एफ जी आणि एचचे आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायचे आहेत. सो सोल्युशन, एनी पॉइंट ऑन द पॅराबोलाइड हॅज अ पोझिशन वेक्टर. सो आर ऑफ यू कॉमा व्ही कॉमा यू स्क्वेअर मायनस व्ही स्क्वेअर, इट इज लुक लाईक फ्रॉम पोझिशन वेक्टर. याला आपण असं लिहू शकतो. So r bar is equals to u comma v comma u square minus v square. Hence r1 is equals to del r by del u, means partial derivative with respect to u, that is u derivative of u is 1, v derivative of v is 0, and u square, it is derivative of 2u. Similarly r2, it is r1, and similarly r2 is equals to partial derivative with respect to v, it is a 0 comma 1 comma minus 2v. So derivative of v is 0, derivative of v is 1, and derivative of minus v square, that is minus 2v. So we can find capital E. So the value of capital E is r1 dot product with r1. So value of r1 dot product with r1. So 1 into 1 1, 0 into plus 0, and 2u into 2u, that is 4u square. This is the value of capital E, or first fundamental coefficient. Then find capital F. r1 dot product with r2 is equals to r1 dot product with r2 is equals to minus 4uv. Similarly, we can find fundamental coefficient of third, or G. G is equals to r2 dot product with r2 is equals to, that is r2 dot product with r2 is equals to 1 plus 4v square, or third fundamental coefficient. Then find last, capital H is equals to r1 cross product with r2, that is the value of r1 and r2. So how to find cross product? By using determinant. So coordinate ijk and 1 0 2u 0 1 minus 2v. By solving this determinant, I can find 2u comma 2v comma 1. Hence capital H is equals to mod of r1 cross product with r2 is equals to under root of 2u square, that is 4u square, plus 2v square, plus that is 4v square, and the 1 plus 1 square, that is 1. Hence proof.